The list.
Thanks for coming, Dad. I can't believe my first day of school is just next week.
Your mother and I are proud of you. Greer is a very prestigious art school.
There is an enormous list of art supplies. They are mostly items I don't recognize.
Let's look for the supplies that you recognize, Megan, and then we can get help with the rest.
I need a large drawing board. I also need a drawing pad 1 meter by half a meter in size, newsprint paper, and a set of artist's drawing pencils.
Here is the drawing board, and I noticed the pencils over there. What's next?
I need watercolor paint, various brushes, India ink, and a fountain pen.
They are on the wall display.
Now we need to locate the vine charcoal.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
We're trying to find vine charcoal. Do you know what that is and where we can find it?
Vine charcoal is specially burned wood. Burning it makes it like a black chalk. It is commonly used for drawing. Vine charcoal is very easy to erase, so we keep it next to the erasers.
That's everything, Dad.
Great. Let's pay for all these supplies.
The amusement park. I love this amusement park, Fran. Thanks for suggesting it. I am having a fantastic time. There's that new ride. It's called the Volcano, and it's supposed to be amazing.
That looks awfully high. Do you really want to try it? We've experienced the rocket, the giant Ferris wheel, and those bumper boats. Don't you think that's enough? Besides, I am absolutely starving.
If you come on the volcano with me, I'll buy you a pizza with whatever toppings you want.
Do you really mean any topping? Even mushrooms, which you don't like?
Yes, I will even order a pizza with mushrooms.
Okay, Michael. I will try this last ride.
Great, Fran. I know you will enjoy this. Did you know that when the volcano erupts, our seats shake? I heard it is quite an experience.
I am not sure that I want to get on this ride anymore.
Don't worry, Fran. Look at the people getting off the ride. They look very satisfied.
I'm sorry, but I don't think I can do this, even for pizza. How would you feel if I bought lunch instead?
I don't want to force you to do something you really don't want to do. And I am hungry. Sure, let's get some lunch.
I want to try this new restaurant called Skylight. The top of the restaurant spins while you eat.
Oh, wow! Let's go! Fresh lemonade.
How can I earn some extra money this summer?
Why don't we start a lemonade stand, Will?
That's a great idea, Mary. But do you think we will make any money?
If we set up in an area with a lot of traffic on a hot day, we will get plenty of customers. We can charge $1.50 per cup.
That sounds a little expensive.
But we need to charge that much to cover our expenses. By charging $1.50 per cup, we can make good money with our lemonade stand.
Okay, what do we need to get started?
We need the ingredients to make lemonade, so we need lemons, sugar, and water. We need something to keep our money in, a sign to advertise the lemonade, paper cups, and a cardboard box to use as a stand.
Should we sell food to go with the lemonade?
I think that would be too complicated. We would need a permit and either a cooler or stove. We should stick to just selling lemonade.
You're right. Let's just keep it simple.
Okay, let's get set up and think of a plan to get some customers and make some sales.
Why don't I attract the customers and you serve the lemonade?
Sounds good to me.
At the movies. Ticket prices have certainly gone up.
Yes, but I really needed a break, so if the price is a bit higher, it doesn't matter. Besides, I really want to see this movie on the big screen.
Would you like something to snack on while we watch the movie?
Sure. What do they have?
It looks like the standard popcorn and soda, but there's also ice cream, hot dogs, and coffee.
I have a craving for chocolate, but I should attempt to eat something healthy. I want to avoid getting sick this year. I'm trying to change my diet.
I'm afraid the healthiest item may be the coffee.
Do they have any muffins?
No, but they do have brownies.
I haven't had a brownie in a long time. Please get me a brownie and a coffee. What are you getting?
I'm getting the large popcorn and a cola.
Here is some money.
It's on me.
No, please. The tickets were extremely expensive. I know you are on a restricted budget.
I insist. Did you want cream and sugar in your coffee?
Well, thank you very much. No cream in the coffee, please.
So you probably don't want sugar either.
No, I think there is enough sugar in the brownies. I'll find us some seats near the aisle.
Defense.
Stay low and bend your knees. Come over here.
Yes, Coach?
Jackson, when you're playing defense, keep your knees bent and your body low. It helps you keep your balance, and it allows you to move more quickly in every direction.
Like this?
That's right. You should attempt to stay on the balls of your feet. It's like you are getting ready to pounce. Athletes never rest on their heels.
Should I stand with my legs close together or far apart?
It is best to keep them about shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and keep your back straight. Spread your arms straight out at your sides.
This seems almost like I'm getting ready to attack the ball.
It is a little bit like that. Your stance looks much better than before.
Coach, how do I move forward and backward on defense? I feel like my stance is fine, but when I try to dart toward my opponent, I keep tripping over my feet.
When you move forward, put your right foot in front of you with your toes pointing in the direction you want to go. When you move backward, just reverse it. Follow the direction of your left foot. How are you feeling?
My legs are tired and my back aches.
Playing defense is hard work. Take a break, then we'll try it again.
The importance of writing.
This is terrible. I hate this assignment.
What's wrong, Timmy?
I'm frustrated because I need to write a book report and I can't get started.
May I see your paper? There's nothing here.
I can't think of anything to write and it's due tomorrow. To make matters worse, we have to perform an oral presentation in front of the entire class. I don't see the purpose of writing a book report anyway.
Writing is a necessary skill that you'll use for the rest of your life. This book report is just one way to begin learning that skill. It's another form of communication and a means of expressing your thoughts. It allows others to understand what is in your heart and mind.
I've never had to write before. Why should I start now?
Now is the best time to begin. The best writers read a lot and practice writing. Anyone can learn to write well. I know you can do it.
Okay, Mom. When you put it that way, I think I can do it.
That's the right attitude. Let's try to organize some of your thoughts by brainstorming. What can you tell me about the book?
The book? I've only watched the movie. Does that count?
Oh, goodness. What kind of child am I raising?
One that probably won't be a famous writer.